Welcome to Travel with John Spate. Today you can see a tour of an interior Havana stateroom aboard the Carnival Mardi Gras. Upon heading to your Havana stateroom, you'll see a Cuban-inspired carpeting as well as wall decor. When first entering your Havana stateroom, you will see your AC controls on the wall as well as an energy saving system. These systems are designed to have a card of some sort, could be a room key or a credit card, in the wall at all times to make sure that energy is not being wasted. One of the great things about the new XL class ships is the large mirror at the center of the room. It's truly a focal point and is outlined by an LED light strip. Down here you have your typical chest of drawers. The top one has a hair dryer where the bottom one is empty, so it's great for storing all your travel needs. Now the top of the desk has great storage as well as switches to turn on and off the lights and your power outlets for plugging in all your devices. The backdrop of this room really allows it to stand out. With your Cuban-inspired decor, you have a ring light above the bed that gives it great lighting and really embodies that Cuban feel. Across from the bed, you will find your TV. I will say, Carnival has done a great job on the XL class ships with the 42-inch flat screen television. Right below that is where you'll find a small bar area accompanied by your refrigerator at the very bottom. Now, I found in this refrigerator I can get about 6 cans as well as 6 bottles of water to keep them cold. Coming back to the right side of the room, you will see that you have an ottoman under the main desk. This ottoman is great for sitting on, or you can actually flip the top upside down for a food tray table. And these Havana towels are a great touch to the Havana experience, along with, as we go over to the closet here, the Havana experience robes. Now I'm going to take you through the rest of the closets here. Carnival did a really good job on the Mardi Gras when it comes to the closets, just ensuring that you have maximum space and proper area to actually put all of your items at any given time. And I know for a lot of people, this is their absolute favorite area of the cabin, the full-length mirror. Gotta make sure you get all those glamour shots and catch all the right angles before you head out your cabin. As we come into the next closet, first thing you'll see is your standard safe, as well as Carnival put in these new metal racks. These racks are easy to pull out, very convenient, great way to store all of your items during your cruise. And the brand new shoe rack at the bottom of the closet in the Mardi Gras is one of my favorite features. Holds about 3 to 4 pairs of shoes, easy to slide out, great way to store all your shoes at the end of a long day. Now Carnival has redesigned their bathrooms on the Mardi Gras. The bathrooms have a very modern feel. Now I will say, the bathrooms on the Mardi Gras are not the biggest, but it is definitely usable and very functional. Now, the star of the show on the Mardi Gras is definitely going to be the shower. This shower has a glass shower door, rainfall shower head, and is definitely spacious. Different than the older ships, this shower door actually swings out to give you easy access. Inside the shower, you have your standard soap and shampoo, as well as a footrest to help you out with all of your shaving needs. And that's going to conclude our interior Havana stateroom tour aboard the Carnival Mardi Gras. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment on any questions you have about the Carnival Mardi Gras and any other Carnival ships. Thank you for watching Travel with John Spate.